This is Ellen, Every Life Matters Humanitarian Foundation. We have our CEO in the person of Chief Dr. Chetachi Ekting. She also doubles as the CEO of Welling Day Foundation based in the United States of America. My name is Obasi Benjamin. I am the Executive Director Administration.
I am Carlo Kelvin, the FCT Coordinator.
I'm Mubarak Sojo Esquire, Director General Legal.
And I am Dadadi Bayo Moses, Executive Director Contact and Mobilization.
I'm Felix Omazusi, Director General, Foreign Affairs.
Ellen is purely humanitarian foundation based here in Nigeria with our headquarters in FCT Abuja. We are present in 29 states of the Federation. We have state coordinators and coordinators in local government level. We are basically humanitarian. The sole aim of this organization is to reach out to the overwhelming majority of Nigeria who are in dear need of support in this critical moment. So we therefore employ and urge each and every one of you that have this humanitarian tendency in you, have empathy and compassion, and you want to partner with us, you are welcome to Ellen. Remember, we are Ellen.
Every life matters!